5 tips for staying healthy in your 40s and 50s. Maintaining health and vitality in your 40s and 50s requires a balanced approach that addresses physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here are 5 essential tips to help you stay healthy during these crucial decades. 1. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. Aim for a mix of aerobic exercises, strength training, and flexibility workouts. Also, cardio activities like walking, running, cycling, or swimming will keep your heart healthy. Strength training, lifting weights, or using resistance bands to preserve muscle mass and bone density is important. Flexibility. Incorporating stretching exercises to maintain flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. 2. Balanced diet. Eating a nutritious diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals helps maintain energy levels, supports immune function, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Whole foods. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, plant proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods. Reduce consumption of sugary snacks, processed meats, and fast food. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support overall health. 3. Regular health screenings. Regular checkups and screenings can help detect potential health issues early, making them easier to manage or treat. Annual physicals. Visit your primary care physician for regular health assessments. Screenings. Ensure you get recommended screenings for blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, and cancers such as colon, breast, and prostate. 4. Mental health and stress management. Mental well-being is as important as physical health. Managing stress and maintaining a positive mental outlook can improve overall quality of life. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress. Hobbies and interests. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that provide a sense of accomplishment and relaxation. Social connections. Maintain strong relationships with family and friends to support emotional health. 5. Adequate sleep quality. Sleep is vital for physical and mental health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Sleep routine. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Sleep environment. Create a restful environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Limit stimulants. Avoid caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime to improve sleep quality. Conclusion. Staying healthy in your 40s and 50s involves a holistic approach that includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, routine health screenings, mental health care, and sufficient sleep. By adopting these habits, you can enhance your well-being and enjoy a more vibrant and active life. Please like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. LHLclub.com